Good morning. I thought today would be the perfect day to take you guys along with me to do some Christmas shopping for decorations for the house. I need to get some stockings and thought it would be great to get some stocking stuffers for Preston and Kensington and just bring you guys along. Today's video is also in collaboration with one of my absolutely favorite mamas, Brittany Leach. She is Starbucks and Target obsessed, just like me, and I absolutely adore her. I call her Martha because she is Martha Stewart. She is such a big do-it-yourselfer. She has amazing crafts and she's always doing something. I feel like I'm constantly stalking her Instagram and YouTube videos just to see what she's up to next. She gives me major inspiration. She also does cleaning videos, day in the life videos. I promise you will love her. Make sure to check out her video and also subscribe to her channel. And I don't want to forget, she is such a boss babe. She's getting ready to open her very first business called Pop and Play. It is an indoor play area for kids and also a mama cafe. How genius is that? So yeah, make sure you follow along with her. I will link all of her information below and I promise you will love her as much as I do. So I'm going to bring you along with me. I just pulled up to Target, one of my absolutely favorite places, and we're gonna do a little shopping. So one thing Kensington has been asking me for constantly is lipstick. So I'm gonna get her some cute little lip glosses to put in her stocking because whenever I do my lipstick, she says, "Mommy, I want lips." So I thought the little like lip smackers would be really cute, and they have a lot of different like Disney characters. They have Ariel and Belle, Minnie Mouse. Those are so cute. These are really cute too, like a little unicorn. Oh, they have a Frozen pack. Okay, I'm gonna do the Hello Kitty and Minnie Mouse. I think those are really cute. Hatchimals is another great idea for Kensington's stocking because she absolutely loves these. So I'm gonna get a couple of these. So Target has this little section set up that they have a bunch of little like stocking stuffer ideas over in their Christmas area, and I'm finding some cute stuff here as well. Preston is obsessed with Legos and I've never seen this. This looks really cool. It's toy block tape and it looks like you can put it kind of anywhere and they can build on it. You can cut it, shape it. So I'm gonna get him this. And these are only $4.99, which I don't think is bad. And then right next to it, they actually have this Jurassic Park Lego set. So I think I'm gonna grab this. Oh yes, I'm gonna get one of these for me. Because being pregnant, your back hurts and nothing is better than getting a little massage. Yeah, I'll get this for my own stocking. Preston has also been into Minecraft, so I was gonna grab one of these little figurines. And then I also found these little Nerf guns that are on sale for $3.74. So I think these are perfect for Preston's stocking. These are cute too for stockings. They're little Hatchimal mystery, but they're like little furry ones, or plush clip-ons. So this would be cute to add in there as well. I also just found this little candy cane Play-Doh set, and I think I'm going to split it up and put half and half in each of their stocking because they really love Play-Doh. These are so cute. They're instant snow and they're non-toxic and you just add water, so I'm going to get 2 of these. I also need to find some really cute stockings, and I was thinking of finding some small ones for the twins. Even though they aren't here yet, I'm still pregnant with them and I just thought it would be really cute to add them. I really like these because they're just super simple and white and they'll look really pretty on the fireplace, and they have matching mini ones, so I think I'm gonna get these for us and then 2 of these for the twins. I'm over in the dollar section now and I found these little princess batons that light up, so I think that's really cute, and it's only $1. These little miniature books are so cute and they're only $3 each, and they have reindeer and snowman and Santa. These are really cute. Oh, and they have glow sticks. Glow sticks are always a winner.
Thank you.
Thank you. Got done and I'm heading over to get my eyebrows done, which is long overdue. I'm sure you all can see. I usually get them done, I think every 6 weeks. But just being pregnant with twins, you guys, my eyebrows are growing like out of control. So I definitely, my next appointment, need to schedule way sooner. But I got a lot of great stuff for the kids. I think I spent $25, close to $25 on each of them. I might have gotten a few extra things that I don't need. So I will get home, lay everything out, and take a look at it, and possibly take some stuff back because I don't want to overdo it. I just want to get them just a few cute things for their stocking and things that they'll actually play with. And that's another thing I feel like this year, I really just don't want to just buy them a ton of toys. I want to do more like experiences. Like for Kensington's birthday, we're taking her to Disney on Ice, stuff like that that they're always going to remember, because I feel like I spend so much money on toys and they play with it for like 2 minutes and they're just done with it. So I'd rather take Preston, for example, he loves trains and they have the Polar Express. Like I'd rather spend the money and take the whole family and do the Polar Express and do Disney on Ice and stuff like that than spend it on toys. So we'll see. I haven't done any Christmas shopping yet. This is just the beginning, but I think that's a really good idea. All right, I got my eyebrows done. They always look a little funky the first day. And you can never put makeup over it or you can just like see where the wax was. It's always really weird. But I feel much better. I have both of the kids and we stopped by McDonald's. I know Mom Award, but everyone was starving. And so we're having a little picnic in the car in the Hobby Lobby parking lot. So I am going to run in. I need to get some stocking hangers for the fireplace. I need to get a tree skirt, and I want to do like some garland on the fireplace and up my staircase. I think that'll be really pretty. So I'm hoping I can find some good things. I had to circle the parking lot several times because there's no spots. Don't worry, we're in the parking lot. That's why he's out of his seat. Little stinker. So hopefully it's not completely picked over and we can find some cute stuff. Okay, so first stop is I'm looking at tree skirts. And I don't really like any of the ones they have here. I might end up looking online. But here's some of the ones they have. I think I wanted like, I don't actually know what I want. Something probably in white. What'd you find?
Jingle bell, jingle bell, where are you?
Jingle bell, where are you? Are you making your own songs?
Yes.
They do have some stocking hangers, but I want something like very simple and plain. Oh, they have just some plain silver ones. I might just get those.
Look what I found.
What'd you find, Boo-Boo?
A football stocking.
Oh, those are cute. I like those. They have lots of stockings, huh?
Oh, it's on another one. Look, this time it's Star Wars.
Whoa.
I can't get it down.
That's okay. Is that one of the ones that changes colors?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, black and gold.
Here's another one. Look.
Here, try it, Sissy.
There's a Christmas tree.
Whoa.
Look at this one.
Oh yeah, you like all those that change color, huh?
Yeah, I know they do. They all change that.
Which one do you like, Sissy?
This one.
Alright, I just went for the plain silver ones for stockings.
Joining any reindeer game.
You want what?
That one.
The red one?
Oh. I want to try.
Ooh. It's red and gold and black.
Very black.
Right here.
Ooh. Mommy.
Ooh.
You know this song called Time for Hanukkah?
I do. Are you learning that at school?
How do you do it?
Sing it for me.
No, you do it first.
I have to remember it. You learned it last year at school.
Okay. Time for Hanukkah. Time for Hanukkah. Shining for a night. I don't want to sing that right.
That's good. Good job, Boo Boo. So I just found these wreaths. They're very plain, but I was thinking they'd be really cute with like a ribbon and buying some of the flocking spray and flocking them because they're only $9.99 and they're 50% off. So I might pull a Brittany and do a little Martha Stewart style. She would be proud. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what kind of wreath to get for above the fireplace. I kind of like this one, and then I can add some white to it, and then that one's really pretty too. This one's really pretty too, and it goes with like the pine cones on our tree.
Ooh, Mom, look.
You like that one?
This doesn't really go for a tree because they're balls.
Oh, okay.
They're balls, and then our other one is glitter.
Yeah. Then I was thinking of putting these bows on there. I think that'll be cute.
Mommy.
Let's maybe try that. Get 3 of them. What, baby? Okay, that wasn't a complete fail, but it wasn't a huge success. Tip number 1, don't go to Hobby Lobby with a 2-year-old and a 5-year-old because Kenzie kept saying, I'm so bored, this is boring, and Preston was touching every single thing. So it was a very quick trip. I did get some stocking hangers and I got a few wreaths that were really cheap to just put outside, and I'm just gonna tie a bow on them. The wreaths were on sale for $5 and I think the bows were $3. So $7 per wreath I thought was a really good deal, and I still might get some flocking spray to spray it because I think that that'll make it look a little fancier and it'll look good. It'll be cheap. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go home and Pinterest some ideas because I get like super overwhelmed. I'm not very good with coming up with like decorations and how I want things to look, so I seriously Pinterest everything. So I think I'm gonna look on Pinterest tonight, and then I'll probably go back to Hobby Lobby tomorrow with Kensington while Preston's at school, because they are always more well behaved when it's just one of them, obviously. When both of them are together, they feed off each other. So I can't even imagine what it's gonna be like with 4 of them. It's gonna be complete insanity. But yeah, I'm gonna get the stockings hung. I'm gonna look tonight online. Maybe I'll look at Pottery Barn or something. I need to figure out a tree skirt. And I don't know, does it matter what size you get? I saw that there were different sizes of tree skirts, and our tree is a 9-foot tree. So I need to figure out what size tree skirt I need, but at least I got some stuff. Okay, we just got home and I wanted to lay everything out to give you guys a really good idea of what I got each kid for their stockings from Target. Okay, so here is everything laid out. I'm gonna split this up and give them each a few, and then I got the Hatchimal, the little furry Hatchimal, the instant snow in a can, you just add water, the lip smacker, this little dollar section wand that lights up. I thought that was really cute. A Santa Pez, and then I got her 2 of these Hatchimal packs because she loves Hatchimals. And then Preston, I got this little Minecraft figure, the 2 Lego block tapes. I think he's really gonna like that. The Santa Pez, the little Nerf gun, some Legos, and then I got him the instant snow as well. So these were all in the Christmas section that has like all the stocking stuffer area ideas, which was great, or from the dollar section of Target. So Target is the place to be to definitely find some really cute options and affordable options. I also really quickly want to show you guys our Christmas tree. We put it up the day before Thanksgiving and it's really pretty. We got it at Home Depot. It is a 9-foot flocked tree and it has like some pine cones on it. But I haven't decorated it yet and I haven't decided how I'm going to decorate it. If I'm going to decorate it, I'm thinking of just keeping it plain or maybe just doing some ribbon. I don't know. I need to decide. But I wanted to show you guys. So it's really pretty. I think it could use some extra flocking, so I might go get a can and spray it a little bit more. But it's just really simple. I like that it's really tall and that it's got some pine cones on it, and it's our first year getting a flocked tree. All right, you guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm glad I got to bring you guys along. I hope I gave you some ideas for what to get your little ones for their stocking stuffers. Target is definitely the place to be, and they have really good deals. Make sure that you check out my girl Brittany Boren Leach, her YouTube channel, and subscribe to her channel. You will love her, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you know the next time I post a video. See you next time. Bye.